Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got an awesome video in store for you today. Now, I love nothing more than to show you guys brand new colors for the first time, especially when I get to show you a new HyperShift pearl. And look what I have right here. This is ZSB HyperShift. My buddies from KP Pigment sent it over. I have not had time to spray this, test it, sample it at all. Now, what it's supposed to be is different than every other HyperShift we have. This is supposed to go from a silver to like a Caribbean blue-green. Now, I don't want to say I'll believe it when I see it, but I've never seen any pearl shift from silver to anything. So, is this going to live up to the hype? We're about to find out. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. Now, first things first, this is not an easy pearl to spray. It was pushing back a little bit. It wants to give you a cloudy finish. I wouldn't say it's really beginner friendly, but the question is the difficulty of the pearl worth the end result? Well, it's supposed to be a silver to Caribbean blue-green shift. And it is. Surprisingly, it is. I've never seen a pearl shift from silver to anything, but this, whatever magic is going on right now, it's working. Now, we're going to go outside right now and check it out. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of different colors and kits to choose from. I want you guys to look at this and then comment below and let me know, do you think the end result, do you think the color shifting effect that this has is worth the difficulty of spraying a more advanced pearl? It's up to you guys. I want to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you on the next video. My buddies over at KP Pigment sent it to me. All I know is it's a white powder color shift. Not color shift, god damn it. The only thing I know about it is that it's a white powder HyperShift, similar to, I don't know, what the hell is the name of it?